Welcome to Summarize Science. Today, we are looking at a fascinating new AI breakthrough called MultiGP. This technology tackles one of the hardest problems in computer vision, figuring out how a scene is lit and what objects are made of just from a single photo. Usually, it is incredibly difficult for a computer to tell if a surface is naturally dark or if it is just sitting in a deep shadow. This is because materials and light are often entangled in a way that makes the math very messy for traditional programs. The researchers behind this project realized that while objects in a room might look different, they are all sitting under one sunday. This means every object in a photo is being hit by the exact same light source, whether it is a lamp, a window, or the sun. MultiGP uses this shared lighting as a consensus to its advantage. It uses a multi-step process to separate the flat texture of an object from the glossy light reflecting off its surface. The system actually uses several diffusion models, which are the same type of AI used to generate art from text prompts. Instead of making art, however, this AI is using its imagination to figure out what the room would look like if you were standing inside the photo. It even uses a clever trick called axial attention, where different objects in the same photo can talk to each other to share information. For example, a shiny soda might reveal sharp reflections of the windows, while a dull wooden block shows the overall brightness of the room. By combining these clues, the AI gets a much clearer picture of the lighting than it ever could from just one object. To make sure the results actually follow the laws of physics, the system uses a special component called a control net. This acts like a supervisor that checks the AI's work to ensure the estimated lighting and materials would actually produce the original photo. In testing, this method significantly outperformed older techniques that tried to guess lighting from just a single object. The results showed that looking at multiple objects at once is the key to unlocking the true physical properties of a scene. One of the coolest features is that MultiGP is ambiguity aware. Because a photo can sometimes be explained in different ways, the AI provides several realistic possibilities instead of just one single guess. When tested on real-world photos, like a scene with a soda can and toys, the AI successfully separated the printed labels from the distracting glossy reflections. It can even handle objects that have no texture at all, like smooth plastic spheres. To recap, the researchers created a way for AI to use multiple objects as probes to see the invisible light in a room. This means much higher accuracy in detecting what things are made of and how they should look in different environments. In the future, this could allow robots to better understand if a floor is slippery or if an object is too heavy to pick up based on its material. It also means that digital characters in movies or video games could blend perfectly into real-world footage with realistic lighting. It is a major step toward computers perceiving the world as deeply as humans do. Thanks for watching Summarize Science.